Welcome to State of Tech. Let's check out Zone Diet, available for the iPhone and the iPod Touch. Open up Zone Diet and it brings us into the Learn tab, where I can learn more about the application. You see that Zone Diet is going to help us lose weight slowly and maintaining an ideal weight. Now there's a video up here at the top of the screen, and if I tap on that, it's going to go and launch the video and bring it full screen on my device, where I can begin learning more about the introduction of Zone Diet. I have all my playback controls on the bottom of the screen, so my play, pause, forward, backwards. I can even make it full screen, and I can even scrub through the video at the top of the screen. Tap done, it'll bring you back into Zone Diet, where you can continue on the page that you recently left off on. So you see here in the Learn tab, I'm swiping down, I'm seeing all the introduction text for Zone Diet. Now the actual Zone Diet tab, this is where I can see all the different targets that I'm going to be going through. So I have the weight loss zone. If I tap in there, I can see this one has a video as well, and there's some text down below that I'm going to go ahead and be able to read. Now some of these other ones, if I come into an actual section, we have videos for the most part. Some of them just have an introductory image at the top. So you see this one more as an image, but then I still have all of my basic text down below, and I can go and swipe through and read and get myself familiar with the Zone Diet and actually start following some tips and tricks to lose weight in an efficient way. Now the feedback tab is going to allow me to give the developers feedback, so I can give them my name, phone number, email address, and message. Once I filter that in, submit a message, and it's going to allow you to contact them and get some help with the app, or even help with some of the videos if you needed to. Tapping on the More tab, I can take notes. So as I'm going through some of the videos, I might want to jot down a few quick notes. What's really nice is I don't even have to leave the application to do so. I can just come in the More tab, quickly tap on this plus button, and enter in any of my notes. And I can even send this to my email address. So if I wanted to access this on my computer or another device, I'm able to send those notes to my email. That way I can get them wherever I am. We also have a PDF scanner, so if I happen to see a document that I wanted to keep in, if I'm reading a magazine and see some nice health articles that I wanted to save in there, I can quickly tap Shoot up in the top right hand corner. We're going to give it access to our camera, and then I have the camera here where I can go ahead and scan in that PDF and then save it here in this document. Then the last section is Voice Recorder. If I tap in there, it's actually going to allow me to record my voice. So tap on the plus button in the top right hand corner. It's going to bring up the microphone access, and you're going to be able to record your voice in here, so you can quickly take down some voice memos on anything that you're learning, or just jotting down some notes for yourself for future reference. And then once you're done with all that, make sure you head back into the Zone Diet and jump into the last section that you left off at, so that way you can watch some of these videos and even learn more about it. So once again, this application is called Zone Diet. If you like it, pick it up for your iPhone and iPod Touch in the App Store.